in today's video we are going to see some tips and tricks of how you can score maximum marks in maths. Okay, let's see how we can do it. Here are 5 tips that can help you score better in mathematics. The first one is always make a proper notebook of maths, which is really important. It keeps your stuff systematic. The second one is always make a formula list. Now this is really important. What you can do is you can make a list of formulas and you can paste it in your study table or maybe at the door where you can easily look at it throughout the day. The third one is we all are guilty of doing it. This is we always forget to recheck our answers. So always recheck your answers. The fourth one is try a question even if you don't understand it completely. Yeah? And the last but not the least, be consistent and practice daily. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.